Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12? 12. I think it's the 12th of December. Today is the last day of work. I am wearing my unicorn dress. Hopefully you'll see it at some point. I do love this dress. It's got unicorns on it. I'll try and get some footage of it. But I'm not eating breakfast outside today because it's windy and I can't be noisy inside because people are sleeping. So I will fill you in a little bit later with everything that happened yesterday and hopefully some footage of stuff that's happening today. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Right, the last time I saw you I wasn't standing in a storage container in, what's the nicest way to say that I'm painting in my underwear? I am painting in my underwear. Why? I'm not very good at painting. Everything's getting covered in paint. So, you know, this is safest. I'll just put my earpods there. So I don't have any pocket. Well, to be fair, it's shorts and a sports bra. So if I was going to the gym and I was svelte, I'd look cute. So we've had our end of work shindig. And now I've got a couple of things I need to do. One, I need to paint some ceilings. Two, I need to put the dog in the car because something smells like dog roll. Something smells like dog roll. Okay, so I've done some painting. And then I picked up some pizzas because that's what I've cooked for tea tonight. And this boy over here who looks particularly, you know, exhausted, tired, like he's had a hard day. Is that paint? Have you got paint on your toenails? Oh, I'm a terrible dog owner. Somebody, no, that's not even yours, bro. It's not even yours. Somebody just tried to bark the crap out of the dog that belongs to a friend of mine from work. And he was being so quiet and so lovely. And she's like, oh, I didn't even know you had a dog in the car. Wound down the window. Wants to start a fight. Why? Because he's got a thing about Labrador retrievers. Hey, not your pizza, bro. Not your pizza. Yeah, I cooked pizza tonight. Goes along with the fish and chips from last night. If you're from overseas, I should probably explain fish and chips. Am I going to explain fish and chips today or am I going to explain fish and chips tomorrow? Either way, let's just do this because I found my tripod. So there's that. What are you doing? Oi, excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah. I found my tripod. And then there was a moment where I thought that I had lost a dog roll because I thought my car smelled like dog roll. Excuse me. And now Dave thinks that it's not dog roll that my car smells like, that maybe there's a dead mouse somewhere in the air vent system. Yep. These are not things I'm thrilled to hear, to be honest. I put the dog in the car to see if it was a dog roll because I figured he might be able to find it. Did he find it? No. Hey, bro. Hey. I mean, if nothing else, at least the internet likes you. He has a thing about Labradors. I don't know why. Oh, he's a good boy, though. Mostly. We've been painting some ceilings. We've been painting and doing some touch-ups and things. And he just follows me around and lays down. So he's all dusty and gross from the plaster. But, yeah. Anyway, we've got pizza for tea. And I have no idea how long today's vlog is. Today's vlog's probably only, what, 2 minutes. But we'll see how we go. I have done a bit of knitting. But I'm still on yesterday's yarn. But I think I'll be up to tonight's yarn if I go to bed early enough. But school's finished.